Hi everyone. Today I've made a project on my own. No manual, nothing. I've just got a set, and from that I've got pieces. So from that, as you saw, I made it move. But you may ask, how does it move? So I'll just show you how it moves by breaking it. Okay, so we'll start with the gearbox for now. So this is the first part of the gearbox. I've attached a shaft here. It's a kind of rod. And then I take the motor and I put it here. Okay, so as you can see, the motor is here. So now I take a red wheel, okay, and then I put it here and put it to the motor. So if the motor runs, this spins, but then there's no balance to hold it. So I take a green wheel and put it on the shaft over here, and then I take a wheel with shaft, yeah, this one, and then I put this over here. Yeah. So now it is stiff and stable. So as you can see, if you spin this, the whole thing will start spinning. Okay. So now I should take, I should take this. And before that, there is something which I need to take. Yeah. Okay. So I have to take this and put it over here, okay, and then I take the other part of the gearbox and put it and make sure, you should make sure that this comes out, and then you close everything. Yeah, so it's all closed. So then I have to take this. And as you can see, this kind of door is there. So wherever the wire is coming out, you should put the door over there. Like this. Yeah. Same thing the other side. So now as you can see, there are some wheels over here on the down. You should not cover this part. It is there because when you attach it, some other wheel will come and get interlinked with this wheel. So let this be for now. Now let's do the head part. Yeah. So you have to take a piece like this. Take these two and put it here. Okay. And then you should take the solar panel and put it here. And you should make sure this goes inside here. Then you should take the outer part of the solar panel and fix it here. Now, to make sure this is properly stiff, you should attach all this to the side. Okay, so both of these are there. And then you should attach the same thing here. But then you should make sure the minus sign comes on the right and the plus sign comes on the left. So as you can see, this is the minus sign. I put it here. And then this is the plus sign. This one. And I put it here. So these both are there. This is just to get to know where the positive terminal comes, means the plus, and where the negative terminal comes, the minus. So the head is done, the body is done. Now I should do the main part, the gear system. You should take a piece like this. Take a piece like this and attach it with a screw. So it comes like this. And then the same thing the other side. But you should make sure the screw comes on the up hole and not on the down hole. So now you should do the same. One more, you should do the same. Okay. So yeah. So these both are there. So take one, and you should take a wheel with black wheel and put it here on the almost near the first hole. And then you should take a white piece, like this, and put it here, white wheel. And you should make sure that once you move this wheel, the other one also moves. Okay, so it is there like that. Now you should take this wheel and put it here. So now let's test it. Okay, so now it is proper. These three wheels are proper. Now these three wheels are proper. And then you should go to the fourth wheel now. The fourth one should be a white. The white one. But you should make sure the white wheel gets attached to this, not this. Yeah. So now is there like this. So if you spin this, everything should be able to move. Yeah, see. Okay. So next, should take a black one and put it here. Yeah. Now this is spinning. Yeah. So everything is spinning now. Now I should take the other part and make sure everything is coming in proper alignment. Yeah, so now it is like this. Now if you move one wheel, everything should be able to move. One. Sorry, there is a mistake over here. So as you can see, the white hole is here. Please remember that you should always keep all the things that are next to each other should be opposite. Now both of these are in the same side, so you should do it like, you should turn it opposite side. Now I'll just make sure these both are in the same alignment. Yeah. Okay, so now everything moves. If one moves, if one of the wheel moves, everything should be able to move. Should be in the proper alignment. Now everything is in proper alignment. Okay. But the other one you should attach here. You should take two pieces like this again, put it here and over here. So this is done. Now you should put this on these. As you know, there are four of them. So now you should put them on the hooks. Yeah, so now it's put on the hooks. The only thing is you should attach the wheels and the head. So now this is too short for you to attach the wheels. So you should take a piece like this, and you should attach this over here. Same thing you should do with all the four sides. Okay, so now you should attach the wheels. And then the head. Now for the head part, you should add one more thing. Take a piece like this, put it here. Take a piece like this and put it here. Now the same thing you should do the other side. Over here, like this. It comes like this. Then you can attach it over here. So your model is ready. Just have to attach the wires on the positive and negative terminal.